In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Microsoft Word document landscape. Changing your Microsoft Word document from portrait to landscape is useful when you need more horizontal space for things like wide tables, charts, images, or other content. The process is simple and can be done directly from the Layout tab. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to change. Once your document is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the Layout tab. In the Layout section, look for the Orientation option. Click on it to view the available page orientation settings. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the standard vertical page orientation that Word normally uses. To change your document to a horizontal layout, select Landscape. Once you select Landscape, Word will immediately change the page orientation. You'll notice that the page becomes wider and shorter, giving you more horizontal space for your content. After changing the orientation, review the document to see how the content has been repositioned. Text, images, tables, and other elements may move because the page now has a different width and height. If your document contains a wide table, for example, the landscape orientation can make it easier to display all of the columns without making the text too small. You can also use the landscape orientation when working with charts, diagrams, schedules, or other content that needs additional horizontal space. If you only want one part of the document to be landscape while keeping the rest in portrait orientation, you can use section breaks. This allows different sections of the same document to have different page orientations. Before applying the change to a specific section, make sure the section is properly separated from the rest of the document. Then you can apply the landscape orientation to that section without changing the entire document. Once you've changed the orientation, take a moment to review the page layout. Check the margins, spacing, images, tables, and text alignment to make sure everything still looks the way you want. If the document doesn't look quite right after switching to landscape, you can return to the Layout tab and adjust the margins or other page settings as needed. And that's how you can make your Microsoft Word document landscape. By changing the orientation from portrait to landscape, you can create a wider workspace and make horizontal content easier to organize and read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,